I'm gonna show you this pirate ship. So let's get started. So over here has a little boat, seems like a lighthouse, and has a chair over here. No steering wheels, but can use this one to drive. And also here is a chain with the anchor. If we do like this, and then wait, if we spin like this, and then if we go up, if we spin like this, it will go down. And over here is a bullet, and put a bullet over here, and then can shoot 3, 2, 1. And so here is like I don't know what's it called. And here has a glass, and at the back over here, this one can spin. And here can open and close. One can move up and down. Oops. Can move up and down. Also this one. And also can open this one. You have to be very gentle.
Wow.
Broken easily. And here is a big bag. Oops. And here is a weapon and for diving. In a treasure box.
Okay.
Here's a table and 2 chairs.
Wow.
And over here is a box open. Has one with little bullets. So here the chair can spin around. Also here has glasses as well. And here it has a steering wheels. Bye bye. Please subscribe more videos. Bye bye.